Okay, hi everyone. Today we're having Gorilla on the Run. So here we have a gorilla. What will happen to it? This is Skipper and this is Lee and Lynn, I guess. Okay, so let's see. Lee, Lynn and Kipper sat on a bus with Grandpa Chen. So they sat on a bus. They're on a bus. Do you know where they are? 你知道他们在哪里吗？
不知道。
They're on a bus.
他们在公车上。
That's right. 小吴英文很好的，真厉害呀！ Yeah, they're on a bus. Okay, so are they going to somewhere? Are they going to somewhere? Maybe. Let's see. There's a dog. And there's a flower shop. There's someone who's riding the bicycle. A green car and a red car. So where are they going? What are they doing? Okay. A gorilla, said Lynn. Oh, so she saw a gorilla on the street. Have you ever seen an animal on the street? 有看过任何动物在街上吗？ Yeah, I haven't. Oh, maybe only dog or cats, but no gorilla. It's impossible for us to see a gorilla on the street. But Lynn just saw a gorilla on the street. Lee was surprised. He said, "A gorilla? Are you sure you saw a gorilla? Really?" And this man also saw this gorilla because he was surprised that his hat flew into sky. See? Shoo! His hat flew into sky. Shoo! It is not a gorilla, said Grandpa. 阿公不相信，阿公就刚好看到一只狗狗。He saw a black dog. He couldn't believe Glenn. He said, "It is not a gorilla. It is a big dog. It is a big dog." But are they the same one? I don't think so. The gorilla is behind the wall, and the dog is right here, beside the bus. So I don't think they are the same one. 应该不是同一只吧 What do you think? 这应该不是同一只吧 The gorilla is already behind the wall, but the dog is still here. So I don't think they are the same one. What do you think? What do you think? It is a big dog, he said. They went to the shops. A gorilla, said Lynn. Oh, they went to the shop. And I think this is a mall. And because there are small shops in the building. So they went to the shops. A gorilla, said Lynn. 他又看到了一只猩猩。Yes, a gorilla, said Kipper. This time, Kipper also saw the gorilla, and other people too. They all saw a gorilla in the mall. 有一只猩猩在购物中心里面呢。A gorilla in the mall. Yes, a gorilla, said Kipper. Is it on the run? Said Lee. It is not a gorilla, said Grandpa. 阿公还是不相信呢。Lee 就想说，是不是 gorilla 正在逃亡当中啊？然后阿公还是不相信，他说那不是猩猩吧 So Lee said, "Is it on the run?" Grandpa said, "That's right. That's what a gorilla looks like." 猩猩就是长这样。That's what a gorilla looks like. His foot looks like a hand. This is your foot. Your foot doesn't look like your hand, right? Nah, they're not the same. Our hand is like a hand, and our foot is like a foot. But a gorilla's foot is like a hand. Okay. So Grandma said, "It is not a gorilla. It is a man with a big hat." It's definitely not the same one. They're definitely not the same one. Grandpa said, "It is a man with a big hat. See, that's a man. That's not a gorilla." 他说这是一个戴着帽子的男人，那不是猩猩。可是根本不是同一个啊，对不对？差那么多。 This man is wearing brown coat, but this gorilla is black. The colors are different. This is black. 它是黑色的，对吗？ This is black. And this is brown. What color is it? This is brown. 这是什么颜色？ What color is it?
咖啡色。
That's right. The color is brown. Gorillas do not shop, said Grandpa. While the gorilla is behind him, Grandpa said, Gorillas do not shop. 阿公就说，猩猩才不会逛街呢。While the gorilla is behind him， 就像你说老师才不会看到的，结果老师在你后面一样。哦。Gorilla do not shop, said Grandpa. And he felt a tap on the back. So he felt a tap. He felt someone was tapping him. Can you tap me? Can you tap me? Can you tap me on the shoulder? So, can you do this? Can you tap me on the shoulder? Oh, can you do this? 你可以做这个吗？ Can you do this? Can you tap me on the shoulder? No, me. Tap me. You tap me. You tap me on my shoulder. Like this. Yeah, that's what the gorilla did to Grandpa. See? That's right. Thank you, Rosa. That's what the gorilla did to Grandpa. Grandpa felt a tap on the back. He turned around and saw the gorilla. And the gorilla said, Hello. Wow, the gorilla could talk. 这个猩猩还说话了呢，他说 Hello. Hello, said the gorilla. Oh, so scary. Grandpa had a big shock. Grandpa 吓死了，阿公吓死了。Grandpa had a big shock. 因为他一直不相信有星星啊，结果他一回头看到一只猩猩，跟他说 Hello。你会不会吓一跳？你会跟小胡说没有星星啦，哪有星星啊 ？There's no gorilla. Gorilla doesn't shop. And then you turn around and saw a gorilla. You will get shocked. Okay? So, oh no, a gorilla, he said. Grandpa said, oh no, a gorilla, a true gorilla, a real gorilla. Oh no, he's just a man from the shop. It is not a gorilla, Grandpa, said Lynn. So he's just a man from the gorilla shops. Oh, so it's not a real gorilla, it's a man. 他是一个人. Okay, so there's no gorilla in the city. Okay? The next one, Hiccups. Do you know Hiccups?
为什么他不开心？
Yeah, he has to drink water because he is hiccuping. Oop. Oop. 打嗝. Oop. Oop. Can you do this? Hiccup. Oop. 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 This is called hiccups. So I believe Kipper is the one who is having hiccups. He needs some water. If you have hiccups, I will give you some water and you have to drink them all. And you will become better. 如果你在打嗝的话，我会给你喝一杯水。那你把它喝完之后呢，你会觉得好一点。好 That's what hiccup does. Kipper was having fun with Lee. Okay, Kipper was playing with Lee. Kipper and Lee are playing together. Kipper was having fun with Lee. Also, Floppy also was having fun. They had a drink. So they had a drink. Hic, said Kipper. He had hiccups. Hic, hic, 打嗝. Hic, hic, said Kipper. He had hiccups. Oh, Floppy was shocked. Hic. Quick, get a cup of water, said Lee. So Lee told him to get a cup of water. That's what I told you, right? 我说如果打嗝的时候就要喝水. That's what also Lee told Kipper. Lee 也叫 Kipper 去喝水. Quick, get a cup of water, said Lee. Did that get rid of the hiccups? Said Lee. 好，你喝了水有感觉好一点吗? Did that get rid of the hiccups? Said Lee. Oh, Floppy was worried. Hic, said Kipper. Hic. drink it like this, said Biff. 好，所以呢，姐姐来传授秘方。她说 drink it like this, said Biff. 姐姐说你要像这样喝 ，drink it like this, like this. Strange gesture. Did that get rid of them? Said Biff. 啊，贝鲁就要问说，那这个方法有用吗 ？Does it help? Does my method help? Do you think that works? Hey, said Kipper. It seems not working. Try hopping and patting your thumb, said Chip. OK， 哥哥来了，哥哥教他的秘方，他的秘方是一边跳，然后一边打自己的肚子。Try hopping and patting your thumb or your tummy. Try jumping and or hopping and patting your tummy. Try to pat your tummy while you're hopping, said Chip. Okay, so Kipper did so, but it seems doesn't help. Has that get rid of them? Said Chip. Hey, still Kipper was hiccuping. 接着 A shark will get rid of it, said Biff. 好，就有另外一个偏方，听说呢，打嗝的人被吓一跳就会停止打嗝。So a shark will get rid of it, said Biff. 也许吓他一下会好哦。A shark will get rid of it, said Biff. Shh, said Biff. Then, he's still hiccuping. Boo! They shocked him. Kipper was so shocked.
为什么在变成那样？
他被吓坏了 And also, they were too loud that Grandpa Chen was shocked too. 这很像你们两个大嗓门有够吵的，你们双胞胎对不对？你觉得 Chip 跟 Biff 是双胞胎吗？ Do you think Chip and Biff are twins?
他们是龙凤，跟他们不一样。
哦，原来是这样。好，他们是龙凤胎。Okay. So they were so loud that even Grandpa Chen was shocked. You did it, said Kipper. You got rid of my hiccups. Kipper was happy that he finally stopped hiccuping. So, you did it. You got rid of my hiccups. Hic, said Grandpa Chen. Hic. This time it's Grandpa Chen who is having hiccups because he was eating and he was shocked that the muscle in his body gets some reaction and which cause hiccups. See? 他在吃面的时候被吓一跳，所以呢，他的那个腹腔里的肌肉可能有些什么反应，所以才会开始打嗝。这就是打嗝。Hic, said Grandpa Chen. Hic. Okay, so that's hiccups. Okay. Okay, let's say goodbye and good night here. Goodbye. 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 Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Good night.